Welcome to Muluka Academy. Myself Anil Kumar Schija, your mathematics teacher. Today I will take topic Heron's formula to find the area of a triangle. Class 9th topic is Heron's formula. So as we know this topic we have used to find the area of a triangle whose three sides are given. Now we extend this topic to find the area of four-sided figures. But before that, one more question of the three-sided, the sides of a triangular plate. So there is one triangular plate whose sides are given as 8, 15, 17. And what we have to do, if its weight is 96 gram, weight is so these are centimeter, find weight per centimeter square. So what we have to do, we have to find its area, and we are given with weight, and we have to find weight per centimeter square. So this will be here. Now we know that 17 square is equal to 8 square plus 15 square. This is 289, this is 64, this is 225. So 289 is equal to 289. So we can say that plate is triangular. So when the plate is triangular, we can find its area by using area of plate is, for right angle triangle, plate is right angle triangular. Right angle triangular. So area of plate is half base into height, which is half into 12 into 15 into 8. So this is 4. This is 60 centimeter square. Now you want to find weight is given as 96 gram. So weight per gram, we have to find weight per centimeter square. So this will be weight is 96 gram and total centimeter square is 60. So this will be your 16, 6 are 96, this is 10, so which is 1.6 gram per centimeter square. So next we move to the four-sided figures. So first of four-sided figure is rhombus. RHOMBUS, rhombus. So in rhombus which we have got, this is the shape of rhombus in which opposite sides are parallel and all sides are equal. All sides equal and parallel. Opposite are parallel. And if you want to find the area in this case, what we will do? A, B, C, D. So this is AC. Let us join AC. Now drop a perpendicular from this. This is your AC is D1. Let this be H1. This is H2. Now area of triangle ADC will be equal to half AC into H1 and ABC it will be half AC into H2 and total area will be equal to area triangle ADC, area triangle ABC, so which will be half AC into H1 plus half AC into H2. So this will be half AC into H1 plus H2. So what is H1 plus H2 here? This is BD. So this is half AC into BD. So area of a rhombus is given by half product of diagonals. So area of rhombus half product of diagonals. And one more thing, why this is 90 degree? Because diagonals of the rhombus are perpendicular to each other. All sides are equal and parallel, and diagonals bisect at right angles. Intersect, not bisect, these intersect at right angles. So this is regarding the rhombus. This is how we find the area of rhombus, by the concept of dividing it into two figures. Then next four-sided figure is our trapezium. So for that, first we will rub this part, then we will do about the trapezium. So second is trapezium. So in case of trapezium, if we define the trapezium, one set of lines are parallel, one set of opposite lines are parallel. Let the set of opposite parallel lines be, this is set of parallel lines, and one set is non-parallel. So this is A, B, C, D is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD, and let the length of A be A, this is B. When we join this two, draw perpendicular from, let this be AE perpendicular to CD and BF perpendicular to CD. AE perpendicular to CD and BF perpendicular to CD. Let this be, this will be your A, let this be X, let this be Y. Now if we want to find the area of this trapezium, let us divide it into three parts, first, second and third part. So first, area of part first, this will be half into X into, this will be AE. Area part 2, this will be B into A into, this will be your AE. Then for third is, it is half Y into, we can say BF, and we know that BF is equal to AE. So this will be equal to half Y AE. Let this be H. Let us take AE is equal to BF is equal to H. That is distance between parallel lines. So we denote distance between parallel lines as H. So all this will be replaced by H. So this is AE. So area of trapezium will be, it will be half X into H A into H and half Y into H, and this will come out to be half H, we can take out as common. So, this will be x plus 2h plus y, x plus 2a, this is not 2h, this is 2a, and we can write it as half h x plus y plus a plus a. So, what is x plus y plus a? This is x plus y plus a is equal to b. So, half h a plus b. So, area of trapezium is given by half sum of parallel sides into distance between them. So, this is for the trapezium. Then next is quadrilateral. Third four-sided figure is quadrilateral. So, let us assume this is the quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. So, join diagonal A to C, draw perpendicular, that is BE perpendicular to AC and DF perpendicular to AC. Let us assume BE is equal to H1, let this be H1, this be H2. Now, if you want to find the area of quadrilateral, what will be the area of quadrilateral? This will be area of quadrilateral will be equal to area triangle ABC plus area triangle ADC. So, this is the sum of these two triangles. So, what will be the triangle area of triangle ABC? As we have seen, this will be half AC into H1, and this will be for ADC, this will be half AC into H2. Take half AC as common, we will left with H1 plus H2. So, this will be your formula to find the area of the quadrilateral. Now, we will do some questions based upon these to find the area of triangle quadrilateral using Hero's formula or one of these formulas. So, for that we must rub this part. So, then question on based on this is find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So, we are given A, B, C, D. Question second for today, in which we are given AB is 7 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Then CD is 12 centimeter and this is AD is 15 centimeter and AC is given as 9 centimeter. So, we are given this and we have to find the area of this quadrilateral ABCD. Now if you want to find this area, we know that area of, so this is figure 1, this is 2, area of 1. So if we check this, we get that 15 square is equal to 9 square plus 12 square, because this is 225, this is 81, this is 144. So this is 225 is equal to 225. So means we can say that this is your right angle triangle. Triangle ADC is right angled triangle, right angle at C. So this will be your right angle. Now area of 1 will be, area of 1 is half into 9 into 12, half into base into perpendicular. So this will be 6, this will be your 54 centimeter square. Now you want to find the area of ABC. So for ABC we have got 3 sides and Pythagoras theorem is not applied to this. Now we will use the Heron's formula for triangle ABC. For ABC, S is equal to, we have got 7, 6, 9. 7 plus 6 plus 9 upon 2, this is 11, and area will be equal to under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So this is equal to S into 11, 11 minus 7, 4, 11 minus 6, 5, then 11 minus 9, this is 2 here. So this will be your 8. So this will be your 11, this will be 2 will be out, 2 under root 110, and this comes out to be 20.98 centimeter square. So total area will be, so area of quadrilateral will be area of quadrilateral. It will be area of part 1, area of part 2. So what is the area for part 1? This is 54 centimeter square, plus for second this is 20.98. So this will be 74.98 centimeter square. So we have seen that the area of this quadrilateral is 74.98 centimeter square. So here we find this by using the square root of 110, then multiplying it by 2, that comes out to be 20.98 centimeter square. Then next is prove that the area of the quadrilateral ABCD is. So here we are given a quadrilateral. Third question in this is A, B, C, D. These sides are 6 meter, 6 meter, this is also 6 meter, and this is 5 meter and 5 meter. We have to find the area of the 3 into, we have to prove that the area of this quadrilateral is, proof area of quadrilateral ABCD is 3 into 4 plus 3 root 3 meter square. So this we want to prove. So as we seen that when a diagonal this divides the quadrilateral into 2 triangles, and out of these 2 triangles one is equilateral and other is isosceles. So for triangle, area of triangle ADC, so this is equilateral. Why this is equilateral? Because all the sides are equal to 6 meter, and we know that the area of the triangle ADC will be equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. So this is root 3 by 4 into 6 square, which is under root 3 by 4 into 36, 9. So this will be 9 root 3 centimeter meter square. So this will be the area for ADC. Now for ABC, area of triangle ABC. What is the kind of triangle ABC? This is isosceles triangle. And for isosceles triangle, we did the formula in yesterday previous lecture also in the first part, that is given by b upon 4 under root 4a square minus b square. So here what is the value for b? This will be your b and this is your a. Now this will be b upon 4 is 6 by 4 under root 4 into what is the value for a? A is 5. Equal side is 5 square minus 6 square. So this will be your 6 by 4 into 5 square is 100 minus 36 is 64. And what is the root for 64? 8. So this comes out to be 8. So this is your 12. So total area will be equal to, total area is equal to ADC plus ABC. So which will be equal to, ABC is 12 and this is your 9 root 3. And we can see that we can find 3 common out of it. So when you take 3 out of common it, so this will be 3 root 3 plus 4 meter square. So this will be answer, and this is same which we want to prove here. So we get the same area, जो हमने प्रूव करना था वही इसमें आया है. So इसमें खास बात क्या है, अगर हम देखें जो क्वाड्रिलेटरल है उसको दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया और एक ट्रायंगल जो हमारा ये था ये बन गया हमारा इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल, क्योंकि तीनों साइड्स इक्वल हैं यहाँ पे. तो उसके लिए हमने सीधा फॉर्मूला यूज कर लिया रूट 3 by 4 साइड स्क्वायर. वी कैन आल्सो डू इट बाय हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला. So this is either we have to do the calculation, whichever is easy we can use that. So that results into 9 root 3 meter square. Then second triangle we see that this turns out to be isosceles, and in isosceles triangle we have got one base and equal side. So base is marked as B. So this is B, is 6 here, and equal side is 5 meter. Two sides are equal, that are 5 meter. And formula for this is b upon 4, 4a square minus b square root of 4a square minus b square. So we substituted the value and find the area as 12 meter square. Then to find the total area we add this area and this area, and we get the final area as 3 into 3 under root 3 plus 4 meter square. So this is which we want to prove. So now we move to the next part, but before that we have to rub this part. Then next question, So in this figure, the field is in form of quadrilateral whose sides are given as such. So find its, so we are given here question 4th, A, B, C and D, and we are given DAB is equal to 90 degree, this is 90, and we are given this 40 meter, this has 9 meter, this is your 15 meter, and this is 28 meter. So what is the difference between this question and the previous questions? All 4 sides are given, and we are given with one of the angles as 90 degree. So when this is 90 degree, what we will do? We can find this diagonal BD, and this diagonal will divide the quadrilateral into 2 triangles. So we can find the value of BD first. So BD square will be equal to AB square plus AD square. So this is by using which theorem? By using Pythagoras. Because in Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So BD square will be equal to AB is 40 square plus 9 square, which is 160081. So BD square will be equal to 1681. So BD is equal to root of 1681, that turns out to be 41. So this side is 41. Now we want to find the area of the quadrilateral. For this we will mark this figure into 2 parts, 1 and 2. So area of 1 will be ट्रायंगल 1. कौन सा ट्रायंगल ये? ABD, जिसको हमने 1 मार्क किया. ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है, सो इसमें हम सीधा निकाल सकते हैं हाफ इंटू 40 इंटू 9. सो दिस इज 180 मीटर स्क्वायर. सो ये इसका एरिया जो हो गया 180 मीटर स्क्वायर हो गया. एक एरिया हमने फाइंड कर लिया. सो दूसरे में क्या है? हमारे पास तीनों साइड्स हैं. सो तीनों साइड्स के लिए फॉर ट्रायंगल BCD we have S is equal to, what will be the value for S? 41, 15 plus 28 by 2. So this will be your 5684 by 2, which is 42. Now area will be equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So which will be equal to under root of S is 42. 42 minus 28 is 14. 42 minus 15, 28. Then 15, this is 27. And 42 minus 41 is 1. So we get it. So this will be your 3 into 14. This is 14 as such. Then 3 into 9 into 1. So square root of these 2 will be 14, and this will be 3. From here one more 3. So this will be 14 nines are 126 meter square. So this is the area for second part, that is triangle BCD. So the area of quadrilateral, now area of quadrilateral ABCD, it will be equal to ABD, triangle ABD plus triangle BCD. So what is the area of triangle ABD? This is 180 meter square plus this is 126 meter square. So this will be 306 meter square. So this will be your answer. This is the area for this quadrilateral. So we have seen today, if we want to summarize today's topic, that is how we have used the formula of Heron's formula to find the area of quadrilateral, and we have seen the different quadrilaterals, that is rhombus, then trapezium, and then quadrilateral, and then we have seen some of these questions. So we will continue further with these questions in the next lectures. So I think you must be following all the topics which we are doing here, and in case of any problem, just contact us. So thank you for listening to the lecture. Thank you very much. मैं बंद नहीं करता है।